Now let's see the steps to create a file. Go to File module and click Create New, or simply click Create Link of File in the Quick Access menu bar. Now, this is our file cover page. There are some mandatory fields marked with asterisk symbol and some optional fields. It is advisable to complete as many fields as possible in file cover page, as it facilitates effortless retrieval of files and ensures accurate report generation. Under File Number, select the various functional heads and subheads from the respective drop-downs. Next is Subject. Subject classification includes Description. Enter the description. This is the title that specifies the file based on their subject matter. This can be related to file name in physical file registers. Main and subcategory. Select the main category and subcategory. This will facilitate organization and classification of files based on their subject category. The main category typically represents broader topics or overarching themes, while subcategories provide further granularity and specificity within those topics. Other details on the cover page of the file include Remarks. Remarks typically denotes a brief comment, keywords, note, or observation made regarding the content or status of the file. It serves to provide additional context, clarification, or instructions related to the file's contents or handling. Previous references. It refers to any earlier mention or citation within the file itself, referencing a previous communication or event related to the current subject matter. It helps to provide continuity and context to the information being discussed or documented in the file. Later references. In a file context, this typically refers to any subsequent mentions or citations within the file itself, referencing documents that occur after the initial discussion or documentation. These later references serve to update or expand upon the information provided earlier, providing a comprehensive overview of the subject matter over time. Language. This is the working language of the file. Once all the available details have been entered, click Continue to proceed with file creation. This will open a confirmation pop-up, confirming the creation of file, as file number once generated will be final and cannot be edited. Here, the file number that has been created can be seen on the top right corner of the file, along with its computer number and subject. The computer number is the consecutive number generated by the e-file system for a file, applicable throughout the organization, and it cannot be reset. The file number consists of the various heads selected during file creation, consecutive serial number of the file, against the selected heads in the organization generated annually, the year in which it was created, and the name of the section or unit creating the file. It can be provisioned to initialize from 1 in the beginning of every calendar year. We will learn about working on file in forthcoming videos.